we move to the last kind of a case. Now, here, why I'm considering this as a last, because we talk about a lot of family owned businesses right now. Okay, so this is a typical challenge of a family owned business where the fathers and their generation, like probably one generation behind us, they consider everything as on a proprietary basis. They don't have any delegation of authority or any leadership activity. They are all genuine. They think that हम तो पैदा ही leader हुए हैं, kind of situation. कोई skill set हम सीख नहीं सकते. So from that generation to the cut to the second generation who is taking up that leadership and taking that company a little forward. Now, a lot of conflicts has been noticed between the two generations. How do you, as an HR, would give a solution? I would like to mention here that Vrishali has been working with a lot of family offices and helped them in bridging this gap between the two generations. So, what is your take on this issue?
Uh, it is very amazing question, and it can go wrong and it can work beautifully.
Oh, okay.
So the thing is, when you are working with family grown businesses, I would say, there normally what happens is a first generation owner would never want to get retired because that's their first baby, that's their first everything. And when we as a consultant work, or in Regatta, when we design such we create such a work environment for them, what we specifically brings in, there are certain core areas which has to stick to the senior most person, and there are certain areas which required new generations input as per the trend. So first you restructure the organization, divide the entire team into two, because what happens is conflicts as in employee doesn't know किसको report करना है.
Correct.
क्योंकि अगर सुपर बॉस ने बोला ये करो तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा, उनके बेटे ने बोला तो भी मुझे करना पड़ेगा. So what is important is create organization structure where you have a direct reportings, clear reportings on the paper, communicated, informed, and वो मैकेनिज्म ही ऐसे डिजाइन होता है कि इस चीज के लिए यहाँ पे जाने हैं क्योंकि वो डिपार्टमेंटलाइज किया है. सो सेल्स हैज बीन हैंडल्ड बाय फर्स्ट सन, और अगर हिमसेल्फ वांट टू हैंडल बाय देम, द एंटायर सेल्स टीम गोज देयर. The operations will be handled by one person, the team goes there. So reporting is very clear. So once you create an organization structure and a reporting pattern and a review mechanism, this conflict will not happen. The only thing is HR has to play a role very beautifully in constantly communicating with the top management कि sir ये मैं देख लेती हूँ, I'll handle it, और मैं इनके पास से करवा लेती हूँ. अगर वहाँ पे एज अ कंसल्टेंट ऑल्सो इफ आई गो एंड टेल ना सर ये आपका टेरिटरी नहीं है, ही विल गेट ऑफेंडेड और ही से तू कौन होती है मुझे ये बोलने वाली, ये मेरा टेरिटरी नहीं है. सो देयर वी डू इज लाइक सर आई एम हियर फॉर दिस, इफ देयर इज अ ग्रे एरिया आई एम हियर फॉर दिस, आप मुझे बता दो क्या कैसे करवा, क्या करना, आपको रिजल्ट क्या चाहिए, आई विल गेट इट डन. So that is where our skills lies as a consultant, where we bridge a gap because we are the one who are in between. क्योंकि मैंने मतलब ऐसे भी देखा गया है कि सन सेज कि नहीं यार इस पे मैं पापा से बात नहीं करनी है, ओके डोंट, आई विल गो. Sometimes what happens is you need a third person to show a mirror. You need a third person to get the clarity कि बाबा आप अगर ऐसा कर रहे हो ना तो यहाँ पे ये गड़बड़ हो सकती है. और we as a expert, as a HR consultant, we get that knowledge and expertise and bring it to the table wherein we can give a entire helicopter view to that management कि बाबा ये मत कीजिए, ये कीजिए, I have a solution for you. So that's how it works. But you really have to be working with both the generations.
Absolutely.
You cannot say that कि first generation retire होना चाहिए. नहीं, first generation का experience is very 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 important for the newer generation to take, and newer generation should understand that कि उनको कहाँ पे ignore करना है. So if you उनका जो core area है, if they are happy working there, just let them
be
do
there.
there. Let them be there. Your work is getting done is important, not कि कौन कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, मैं क्यों नहीं कर रहा. So this kind of clarity we as a consultant brings.
That's so precise because very rightly said that कि दोनों generations के बीच में जो भी execution करना है आप एक third person बन के उनको अपना आईना दिखा रहे हो और जो भी उनको करना है वो बोल रहे हो कह रहे आप मत करिए मैं कर लेता हूँ मतलब you become the bridge between both the
and
generations.
this worked with my 2 clients. I would
that's
say.
what.
One is a KPO company, Pune based. The Mr. Apte, who he is the CEO. He's the first generation owner, and his daughter and son are the second generation. We have divided their roles. We have divided their territories. Son is in US managing US operations and US company. Daughter is in India managing marketing and HR and admin. And sir himself is very much keen into business development. He keeps traveling between India and US managing only business development. Once in a week he does a review with all HODs including his son and daughter, and then he's done.
Oh, that's
what
perfect.
we have designed there.
Oh, so
that's how we designed.
Very nice, very nice. So actually, yes, I knew that you were into family offices, and I would request each one of you who's actually having a family office, and I am sure each one of you would have a lot of conflicts happening in the company. So here is a consultant, Vrishali, whom you can really approach, and I'm sure she'll be in a position to give solutions as she has given her clients as well. So yeah, thank you. That brings us to the I mean, I don't want to end it, but we anyway ways किसी चीज शुरू होती है तो उसको खत्म भी होना पड़ता है.
Right.
तो हम वहाँ पे पहुँच गए. Thank you, Vrishali, and